So take down topic called search engines. So now today we are going to learn about search engines. So the top search engines we have is Google, Yahoo and Bing. So first we will discuss about Google front end interface. Google front end interface. So generally user want to search, he'll open Google. So there's a Google and there's a search box, right? So google.com and search box. So user, he goes to Google to search for his needs or requirements.
You do my work. You do your work.
So whenever user types anything in the search box, whatever he types in the search box, technically we call that as a keyword. We call it as a keyword. Suppose now I search for something called Gnews. So this text Gnews is called a keyword. Suppose I searched for shopping. So the text shopping is called a keyword. Okay. Suppose I searched for matrimony. So the text here, this text is called a keyword. So any text user types in the search box, technically we call that as a keyword. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, user after typing the keyword, Google displays the results. Google displays the results. So here now we search for matrimony. These are all the results. These are all the results. Okay. So this page, we call it as search engine results page. Search engine results page. Search engine results page. So here, if you guys can see, user after typing a keyword, Google is showing so many results here, right? All this results are divided into 3 different listings. Divided into 3 different listings. So this whole results are, so these are all the results divided into 3 different listings. What are they? First, PPC listing. Second, SEO listing. Third one is maps. Third one is maps. What are called PPC? What are called SEO listings in this? What are called maps in this? We are going to discuss now. But before that, till now, this is PPC, this is PPC, and this is PPC. So here top you see how many listings are there, guys? 1 Shadi, 2 Jeevan Sati, third Bharat matrimony, and fourth is Kalyan matrimony. This 4 comes under PPC. Top. Even if you scroll down, we have a PPC, but here we don't have. Okay. So here now, how can I identify which is PPC, which is SEO? Is, you see on this listing, there is a symbol AD here. You guys can see
Yes.
this AD symbol.
Yes.
So on the listing, if you see the AD symbol, then this listing comes under PPC. Here, if you see, here we don't have ad symbol. So this listing will not come under PPC. Okay. So how you can identify is on the listing, if there is an AD symbol, it comes under PPC. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So ad symbol.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Now, what are those PPC listings called it as? This listings are paid listings. These listings are paid listings. Means, now if you see this, whose ad is this one? Which is the company name here? Advertiser name is
Jeevan Sati.
Jeevan Sati. Now we are users. Suppose we clicked on the ad. We clicked on the ad. We landed into their website. For that click, the advertiser, who is advertiser here? Jeevan
Jeevan.
Sati has to pay money to
Okay.
Google. Has to pay money
Okay.
to Google. So here, when Jeevan Sati is paying money to Google, only when public user clicks on the ad. Clicks on the ad.
Ad or link.
Suppose if the public user doesn't click on the ad, then that advertiser will not pay money to Google. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhupati, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Aditya,
Yeah, understand it. Thank you.
Sheila,
Yes, sir, yes. Paid
Sir,
for PPC.
sometimes,
Hama.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, sometimes he is not using for yearly that staying the ad regularly.
No, here I'll tell you that also in clear way. I'll tell you. Here we don't pay money. I mean, advertiser won't pay money for the ad showing. Okay, I'll tell you that full concept, and you will understand. So now, the PPC stands for pay per click. So it works on a click basis. Okay. Now, example, you have a web company, bhupatimarriagebureau.com. You have a company, Bhupati Marriage Bureau. Example I'm taking. Or you are working for this company, either ways. Now, your requirement is like how Shadi ad is shown here on the top in PPC. You want your Bhupati Marriage Bureau also to be shown in PPC on the top. Then what is the work you do for that? What is the work you do for that is you will be using a tool called Google Ads. We also call it as AdWords. Both are same. This is a tool. Google AdWords. So this is the one. Google AdWords. You see, guys, this is the tool. Within this tool, whenever user searches for your business keyword, you can get your ad shown. Okay. So within this tool, you are going to create an ads. Create a ads. No need to download a web-based tool. Say for example, you want to send an email. You want to send a email. You need one email. So which platform, which tool we use to send an email or receive an email? Which tools you use, guys?
Gmail, Yahoo Mail,
Gmail, Outlook,
Reddit Mail.
Mail, right?
Yeah.
So if you see, Gmail is like one tool, no?
Yeah.
Gmail is one.
Tool.
So Gmail is a tool in which you are going to create an account, and within that tool you are going to send an email or receive an email. Correct?
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want your company ad to be shown under PPC, then you need to create an account in the tool called Google Ads. The tool Google Ads. So once you have created an account here, so you have created an account, okay? Free only, no need to pay anything to Google for that. Within this account, you are going to create ads. You're going to create ads. Creating of ads means what? You will enter the list of keywords. For which keyword you want ad to be shown in Google. Here, what is the keyword we searched?
Jeevan Sathi.
No,
Matrimony.
keyword. Matrimony is the keyword, no?
Matrimony.
So for matrimony keyword, Jeevan Sathi ad, Shadi ad is coming. Like that, for which keyword we want Google to show our ad, that keywords we need to enter here. So we tell to Google when to show the ad. Suppose matrimony, marriage sites, marriage bureau. Like this, we will enter the keywords. And for every keyword, we need to give CPC value. CPC means cost per click. Now we know whenever user clicks on the ad, we need to pay to Google, right? So how much we are ready to pay? That cost per click value we need to give. Suppose matrimony 2 rupees, marriage sites 5 rupees, marriage bureau 20 rupees. Like this, we need to enter the amount. How much we are ready to pay. So how much we are ready to pay, how much you need to enter and all, we'll discuss later anyways. I'm just giving you an idea, that's it. So using this Google Ads tool, within this Ads tool, you are going to enter the list of keywords, and for every keyword, bidding. So creating these ads in the tool is free. You don't need to pay anything for that. But whatever the ad you have created in this tool, Google, in order to show your ads live in the search engine, live here on the search engine, in this AdWords tool, you should add money. You should add money. If money is there in the tool, then only Google will show your ad here in the search engine. Or else no. Or else no. Okay. Now, clear till now? Any questions here?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So now, example, you've added 1,000 rupees into this tool. You have added 1,000 rupees into the tool, Google AdWords tool. Now Google starts showing your ads. User searched for matrimony and your BhupatiMarriageBureau.com ad is shown here. So for ad showing, Google won't take any money now. They will not detect any money from 1,000 rupees because ad is
Okay.
just shown. But if the user clicks on the ad, if the user clicks on the ad for this keyword matrimony, what is the bidding we have given here?
2 rupees.
So the 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, 1,000 rupees. Okay. Suppose now another user searched for marriage bureau. Our ad is shown. User clicked on the ad. How much bidding we have given for marriage bureau?
20. That's 5 rupees.
20 rupees.
20, no,
20.
marriage bureau. So 20 will be deducted from 1,000 rupees. Like this. Google, to show the ad, they don't charge any money. After clicking only, they'll deduct the money from 1,000 from our account. Now suppose your 1,000 rupees got over after 2 days. Now Google will stop showing your ad in the search engine. They will not show. Again, if you add money into this tool, again they will show. Okay. So in the account, if money is there, ad will be shown. If money is not there, ad will not be shown. Got
So
it,
this
ma'am?
thing, yeah, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
By creating this ad words, really the business are getting profited, sir.
Yes, say we get the, say once our ad is shown, user clicks on it. The moment when the user clicks, the user lands into our website, right?
Yeah,
So
but
we are getting a visitor.
yeah,
Now, if your site is in a position to convert the visitor, you get the sale.
yeah.
You get the sale, you'll get the revenue. So it all
But
depends upon how good your website is designed, content, how convincing it is, and the prices, of course.
Mhm.
Okay. See, I will not say every click will convert into your customer. No.
Yes.
In PPC, the conversion rates will be generally from 3 to 10%.
Mhm.
So if you get 100 clicks, 3 to 10 people will convert.
Mhm.
Okay. So, Bhupati, you got now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure,
Not-
sir.
nothing like lifetime, nothing like that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So if your account has a money, ad will be shown. Account doesn't have money, ad will not be shown.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. It is just
Okay.
like your mobiles. You have a mobile. In a mobile, you have a SIM. It is active. Example, it is active. Now, you don't have currency in your mobile. 0 rupees. Then can you make a call?
No.
No. So when you recharge for 100 rupees, example, now you can make a call because your mobile has a money. Now you spoken to me for 1 minute. So for 1 minute, whatever the rate it is, it will get deducted from 100 rupees. No.
Yeah.
Suppose 1 minute call rate is 2 rupees, will be deducted from 100. Again, you spoken with some other experts and you spoken for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, 10 rupees got deducted from 100. So whenever you are doing a call, as per the call rate, it will get deducted, no?
Yeah.
And once money got over, 100 rupees over, you cannot make a call again.
Mhm.
To make a call, you need to again recharge your phone. Correct? So same concept. Google Ads also same concept. Okay. So there in mobile, you are paying call per rate. In Google AdWords, you are paying cost per click. Clear, guys? Now, any questions here?
No.
No.
Aditya,
No, sir.
clear?
Yes, very clear.
Okay. So later in the course, this is what you are going to learn, that how to create an account in Google Ads, how to create an ads, like how to enter the list of keywords, how much you need to do bidding, the settings, to whom you want ad to be shown, where, which location you want ad to be shown, all the things which you are going to do practically. You will only create an account, you will only create an ads, everything you will do practically. Okay. I'll just show you how the tool will looks like inside. So this is inside the tool, how it looks like. And here, see here only you will have a keywords to enter your list of keywords. So here plus symbol, if you see, and all. So here only you will be entering the list of keywords, say matrimony, marriage sites, marriage bureau, matrimony site for Hindus. I mean, like all the keywords we are going to enter here. Then save. Okay.
So we can add n number of keywords here. We can choose n number of keywords. So
Yes.
accordingly, whatever the customer selects, I mean, any of these are falling into a category, it will be selected.
Correct. So whatever keywords you have entered here, if user typing any of this keyword, then Google will show your ad.
Okay. So it is not restricted entering number of
No.
keywords.
No. Okay. And also you can show demographic, like to which age group people you want to show ad, to which gender, only male or only female you want to show the ad. That also we can showcase. Then we can restrict. Okay. Locations also we can do, where you want ad to be shown. That also we can do. You can see location, where you want, India or countries, or no, you want ad to be shown only in Chennai. Then you can select Chennai. No, I want ad to be shown only in Bangalore. Then you can show Bangalore. Like this, you can tell to the Google where to show the ad, which location. Like this, we have so many settings here, which you are going to do it later practically. Okay. Got an idea now about PPC?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
the second module, we will see about SEO. We'll see about SEO. So here the middle portion, this comes under SEO. So here, tell me guys, this is SEO or this is PPC or SEO?
PPC, sir.
Why? How you can tell that?
Sir, it is AdWords. I mean, it's a paid one.
So here you have a symbol AD.
AD.
Here you see we don't have symbol AD, right?
Yeah.
So this listing comes under SEO. Comes under SEO. Okay. Now scrolling down from here also again. This listing also doesn't have AD symbol. This listing doesn't have AD symbol. This listing, this. this. So all this comes under
SEO.
SEO. So on the listing, if you don't find the symbol, then it comes under SEO. And these SEO listings are free, no need to pay any money. User clicks one time or 1 lakh time, doesn't matter, no need to pay any money to Google. So these listings we also call them as organic listings. See, PPC we call them as paid listing. SEO listings we call them as organic listings, and they are free. They are free. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, please?
So what is the difference between these two, sir? See, these listings also can be seen by any of the viewers without paying, and that also they are giving the same benefit. I mean, why we are paying then when we have this option of SEO?
Correct. See here, user. Here, how many listings we have in PPC? 4 on the top, right?
Yes.
User, he will first see this 4 only, right? And so I'll tell you the ratio. 30% to 40% of the people clicks on PPC listings.
Okay.
50% of the people clicks on SEO listings. Now, PPC anyways is a paid. We need to pay money for every click. SEO it's a free. We don't pay any money to Google,
Mhm.
right? But here, see the first difference is PPC is paid, SEO is
Not
free.
paid.
The other difference, you have 30 to 40% of the share for PPC, right?
Yeah.
So if your company is not listed here in PPC, you will be losing that 30 to 40% rights right away.
Mhm.
Correct. Say, user searched 100 people searching. Out of 100 people, 30 people, your brand is not shown to all, right? You are missing that 30 people.
Mhm.
Okay. So your brand is shown only, suppose in SEO you are on the top, then you are getting only 50 people, right?
Mhm.
So that 30 people you are missing out, right? So if you don't want to miss the 30 people, then you want your ad to be shown in PPC also, but it is paid. You need to spend money.
Mhm.
For every click you need to spend money, but in SEO no need to spend any money. User click one time or 1 lakh time, doesn't matter. We don't pay any money to Google and it's a completely free. So what generally so many companies, they prefer only SEO. Only SEO. Okay. Generally bigger companies who can invest money, who have a budget, they go for PPC. Okay. Got it, Sheila?
Yes, sir. So the process is both process are same. So either it is
No, process is not same. I'm going to tell you that. So here now, to get our company listed in PPC, we use the tool, which tool? Google
ads.
Ads tool. Now, you want your Bhupati Marriage Bureau to be also listed on the top in SEO. Then, what is the work you do for that? Is we will be following Google guidelines. Google guidelines. So Google has a list of rules. List of rules which they will check on the website to calculate SEO score.
Cool.
Now, the site which has more SEO score will come on the number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, like this it will go on. So for PPC the work is different. For SEO the work is different, not same. PPC module is separate, SEO module is separate, no connection at all. Okay. So Google guidelines, these are all the rules which a website owner has to follow to get his website listed on the top in SEO. Okay. So these rules are nothing but like your backlinks, having a quality content on the website, making your website mobile friendly, your site is secure, your website page speed is faster. Like this, we have so many rules which Google checks on your website to calculate SEO score. So what is this guidelines? What all this is your SEO subject, technical subject, what you are going to learn in the course. Got it, ma?
Yes.
Guys, clear? Others? Aditya, Bhupati, Rakesh?
Yes, it's clear. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes, Rakesh.
If I have a business, I can spend more. How much money I can spend in PPC?
Hmm.
Is it enough, or I need to be in SEO also?
You need to be in SEO also because you have 50% of the visitors click on SEO, right?
Okay.
So bigger companies, they will get their website shown in PPC also, SEO also, maps also, all the 3 places.
Okay.
If you are not there in any one of the place, you are losing the visitors.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
The smaller companies, they don't do PPC regularly because they cannot afford to spend everyday money, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That is the reason generally bigger companies only will be doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. But
Yes.
as a company, always try to be in all the 3 modules. Okay.
Yes.
Then only you will have a maximum reach. Your brand will be shown to many people. Many people. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what are these guidelines? What is meant by backlinks, content, security? Means all this, everything we will be learning later in the subject. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have seen 2 modules. One is PPC, one is SEO.
SEO.
So PPC, the work is different. For
Yeah.
SEO, the work is different. No connection
Okay.
in between a PPC and SEO. Now we'll see about maps.
So you showed this AdSense. How do we create? How do we create this SEO? Going again with the AdSense only?
Not AdSense, ads.
Sorry, Google Ads.
No, that's what I'm saying. See, Google Ads is only for PPC, nothing to do with SEO.
Okay, then how do we create this SEO, sir?
That is what I told you, right? So this is all about creating a backlinks, writing a good content. So many things we have. How to do this is your SEO course, which you are going to learn later.
Okay, fine. Fine, sir.
So this is not like one tool in which you are going to do SEO. No, not like that.
Okay.
Say content, example. Here, I said content, right?
Yeah.
Content means what? Google checks in your website. This is content, no?
Yeah.
So they will check how quality content you have written here.
Mhm.
Okay. And they will check within the content keywords are there or not.
Mm.
Targeted keywords are there or not. And they will check whether the site is secured or not. Here see secured means you get a lock symbol. Connection is
Mhm.
secure. Like this things comes under guidelines, Google guidelines, which they will check to calculate SEO score. So the course you are going to learn these things only: how to write a good content, how to insert keywords in the content, how to make your website secure, okay, how to increase the backlinks, how to make your site mobile friendly. Like this, all that guidelines is what you are going to learn later.
Okay.
Got an idea now, Sheila?
Yes, sir.
And even yesterday we discussed one more called page speed, right?
Yes.
We checked for Flipkart and Amazon page speeds,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
which is Flipkart has a how much, 3 seconds, and Amazon has a 900
0.1
milliseconds,
second.
Yeah.
Yes.
right?
900.
So we
Yeah.
discussed that Amazon will have a more SEO score compared with Flipkart, because Amazon page speed is faster, loading in milliseconds. Flipkart
Yeah.
is loading in 3 seconds.
Yeah.
So what is SEO here you need to do? If you are a SEO person of a Flipkart company,
Mm.
you need to decrease this 900, competitor having 900. So
Yeah.
from 3 seconds, you need to reduce it to 800 milliseconds.
Mm.
Then Flipkart will have more SEO score compared with Amazon.
Amazing.
So how to reduce this page speed seconds is your Google guideline. Okay. So like this, it will be, the work will be. Okay. Clear now, Sheila?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then maps. So maps here is what? This is a map. This section is a map. Okay. So how to create our company address, how to show our company address in maps, means how to create a map. We use the tool called Google My Business. Google My Business is a tool name. Within this tool, we are going to create our map. Create our map. Okay, free only. No need to pay anything for that. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So what is the tool we are using for map? Google My Business is the tool name which we use to create a map, and it is free, and it is free to create. Okay. Creating a map is nothing but, in this tool, you are going to give your company name, company address, company office timings, phone number, photos, all the data about your business. You are going to enter in this tool called Google My
Business.
Business. Okay. After creating a map, how to get our business listed under top 3 positions. This is important. Creating a map, anyone can do it. It's very easy also, just filling up the form. But how to get our company listed under top 3? Here, how many listings are there? Only 3, right?
Yes.
So 3 only will have a more visibility to the users. So
Yes.
for that, what is the work you do? We do technically local SEO. Local, this is a name, technical name, local SEO. Okay. So again, here we have a rules to follow. So if you follow local SEO guidelines, you can get your company listed on the top 3, listed on the top 3 in maps. So again, remember here, Your Google guidelines for your main SEO is separate. Local SEO guidelines for maps is separate. No connection again in between. Okay. So here PPC module is separate, SEO module is separate, maps module is separate. Just like showing your company ad in a TV is separate, radio is separate, paper is separate. No connection, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So in search engine, Google search engine, we have 3 different modules, 3 different marketing modules. What are they? PPC, SEO, and
Google Pin,
maps, Google My Business.
Google Maps.
Clear, ma?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear, Bhupati?
Clear, sir.
Aditya?
Yeah, it's clear.
Rakesh?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And yeah, Sheila?
Yes, sir.
So for PPC, this is a paid one, and the tool we use for this is Google
And
Ads. SEO is a free listing. Here we'll follow Google
Guideline.
guidelines. Maps is also free. Here the tool uses Google.
SEO, local SEO.
No, the tool to create a map.
My business.
Oh,
The tool
Google
to
My
create
Business.
yes, correct. So tool is Google My Business. How to get our website on the top 3 positions is local
SEO.
SEO guidelines. Okay, so these 3. Now you got a clarity?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So this is about your Google front end interface. So anyways, in the course, all the 3 modules you're going to learn from basic to advanced level. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, ma? So that's
Yes.
it for the day. Tomorrow we will discuss about backend search technology. That is, after user typing the keyword, before Google showing the results, what is the process they will do at the backend to show the results? So how Google works, in simple terms, how Google works, that backend search technology we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
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 So clear today's class? Any questions, any doubts, please get clarified.
No doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done that. About